We spend so much time waiting for progress bars to finish that we forget what it feels like to just play a game. You buy a new console today, and you are met with a 20 gigabyte update before you even see a title screen. This little handheld device is a direct protest against that entire philosophy of modern tech. It is built for the person who wants to jump back into the golden age of gaming without a single headache. No logins are required here. There are no accounts to sync or cloud saves to worry about. You just flick a switch and the screen glows with hundreds of titles from your childhood. This isn't a high-priced luxury item meant to compete with the giants of the industry. Instead, it is a focused, affordable tool for pure nostalgia. The first thing you notice is the weight. It is incredibly light, which makes it a perfect companion for a long train ride or a lunch break. The screen is a 3.5-inch panel that uses vibrant display technology. The colors pop and the viewing angles are surprisingly wide for something in this price bracket. You won't find yourself squinting or tilting the device just to see the action. Everything looks crisp and sharp. The library is the real star of the show. It comes preloaded with a massive collection of classics. You don't have to go searching through shady websites to find your favorite old-school adventures. They are organized and ready to go from the moment you take it out of the box. This simplicity is a breath of fresh air. It takes away the technical barrier that often keeps people from enjoying retro games. You do not need to be a software engineer to figure this out. You do not need to spend hours configuring buttons or mapping controls. The developers have done the heavy lifting for you. Of course, you have to be realistic about what you are getting. The shell is made of plastic, and it feels like a budget device. The buttons have a decent click to them, but they are not going to feel like a premium controller. The battery life is respectable enough to get you through a few days of casual sessions. It charges via standard cable, so you won't need to carry around any weird proprietary bricks. It is a straightforward piece of hardware for a straightforward purpose. Some people might call it a toy, but it feels more like a dedicated time machine for your pocket. It is a legitimate handheld that delivers exactly what it promises. If you are looking for a way to revisit the pixels of your youth without spending a fortune, this is a fantastic entry point. It skips the nonsense and gets right to the fun. It is not a gimmick designed to steal your money. It is a solid, reliable way to keep your favorite memories alive while you are on the move. You get a lot of value for a very small investment. It is the kind of device you can toss in your bag and forget about until you have 10 minutes of downtime. Then, you pull it out and you are instantly transported back to your living room floor in the 90s. That kind of instant access is hard to find in our world of constant notifications and forced updates. This device lets you reclaim your time and your joy. It is a simple joy, but sometimes those are the best kind. You don't need a $1,000 setup to have a great afternoon. Sometimes you just need a handful of buttons and a screen full of bright colors. Think about the last time you actually finished a game without being interrupted by a system notification. It feels like a distant memory. This pocket-sized unit brings that focus back. The controls are laid out in a way that feels familiar to anyone who grew up with a controller in their hands. The D-pad is responsive enough for platformers and the face buttons have a consistent travel. You can feel the intention behind the design. It is meant to be used, not just looked at, on a shelf. The software interface is snappy. There is no lag when scrolling through the lists of games. You can jump from a fast-paced racer to a slow-paced puzzle game in a matter of seconds. This speed is what makes it so addictive. It respects your time. For someone who only has a few minutes of peace during a busy day, that efficiency is everything. The audio quality is another surprising point. The built-in speaker is loud and carries those iconic chiptune melodies with plenty of clarity. It captures the crunch of the old sound chips perfectly. If you want to keep things quiet, there is a standard jack for your headphones. This makes it a great choice for public spaces where you don't want to bother anyone else with the sounds of exploding pixels. Many people are skeptical of these all-in-one devices because so many of them are poorly made. This one breaks that trend. It feels like a cohesive product rather than a collection of random parts. The software is optimized to run the titles smoothly. You won't deal with the stuttering or screen tearing that plagues cheaper alternatives. It is a reliable experience from start to finish. This makes it a great gift for younger players who want to see where gaming started, or for older gamers who want to relive their glory days. It bridges the gap between generations with ease. It is a simple, effective, and honest piece of technology. It doesn't pretend to be something it isn't. It is a love letter to a different era of entertainment. When you hold it, you feel a sense of freedom. You're no longer tethered to a wall or a massive television. You have a whole universe of entertainment right in the palm of your hand. It is light enough to carry everywhere, but substantial enough to feel like a real tool for play. This is the sweet spot for portable gaming. It is about accessibility and pure, unadulterated fun.